Someone's calling me. Hold up, let me just tell them I'm recording. Give me a second.
He's recording right now.
Okay then. Okay, so hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Yancel Gaming here. Today we're gonna be doing another episode on snow. I should have prepared for this. A snow shoveling simulator. If my computer wants to work. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, snow shoveling simulation doors. Okay, instant doors. Okay, so we're gonna do this, and we're gonna go to the new expansion place.
What's up?
This is my cousin Destroyer. Yeah, his real name is Destroyer. Yeah. Okay, it's indoors. Okay, so let's go to the new place. Okay, let's go to the new place. So, okay, my cousin. Yeah, my cousin can't.
Big truck.
Okay, so today we're gonna be doing some grinding.
I have the left grind.
Let's go. Oh crap! Hold up! I forgot I need the other backpack. I already grinded a little bit on this game off camera. I grinded 500,000, and I got this thing. I should have done an introductory video thingy, my bobble.
Please all of your things.
Let me just equip. Okay.
Let me get a car.
Okay, let's go to the top of the mountain.
I'm in Mom's car.
Room, maybe mom's car. Okay, let's go to the top of the mountain. Let's go. Two hours later.
I suck at driving.
I'm gonna pause the video until I get actually no, never mind. I'm not gonna pause it. Let's go, it's this way. Boom, 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 boom. Just.
I'm gonna ask you a really important question after the video.
Okay. You can ask it like right now.
No, they cannot know. This is secret. They cannot know this.
Everyone in the comments gonna be like, what's the secret?
I know, right?
Okay, we're almost at the top. I'm not using auto clicker. It's legit a glitch in the game.
Yeah, it's like legit a glitch. No.
But I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to get banned. Hold on, let me just. I don't want to get banned, so I'm not gonna do it.
Have you ever hacked in Roblox before?
No.
I exploited. Just tell me that.
Princess. My dog. I'm getting this purple snow, this purple ice.
What? Dude, why do you get snow? Why do you get money from selling snow? Just snow.
No, do you wanna know why?
Why?
Because Frosty, he need that snow because he hungry. So he give you money for that snow. $1 per snow, my dude. That's why. I can almost get the new back.
For this much snow, literally, he's big.
I can almost upgrade my backpack. I want to upgrade to the better backpack. I need 200. 200 ice.
200 ice.
I already have 700,000 snow. I don't need more.
There's more backpack in the new place.
Yeah, but they only work for ice, not snow. Hey, my friend Aiden just joined. All right, hold up. Let me join. Let me make you join groups. You saw that?
Invite Aiden. Oh, you're not.
I'm not. It's indoors. Okay. Actually, no. I'm a girlfriend. I'm a do it because he need that cash. He need that cash. He need that cash, though.
Get out.
Rough. No! My dog! Oh, let me get my dog. Ruff. I got my dog. why she's so beautiful? She's so beautiful.
Yay, because I don't really care.
Okay, we're gonna do another quest because I like quests. Okay, so St. George, we're gonna do a quest. Time for quest.
Please don't do a ice quest because I can't do that.
Okay, 30,000. Hurry up, my dude. I'ma help you later though. When I fill up my backpack and then I'm gonna go so much snow. And then I'ma help you.
I'm gonna get my back and go down.
Okay, it's full.
Oh my god, the lightning bolt looks so cool in the dark.
You got the lightning bolt?
What?
You got the lightning bolt?
How do you not know that? I told you this.
Set me for a go. I forgot, my dude. Okay, let's go over to the new place because I want to help my cousin. Jace, we are cousins. Cowabunga! Nice. I'm a boss. Okay?
Okay, I'm a go.
Let's go.
Don't ask why I'm eating chips.
Let's go through. Crap. I'm a very good driver.
Ready?
Clear. No, I'm not. I'm like very good. Sarcastic. Look, it's doing that spinny thing. It's spinning. It's doing that spinny thing that I showed you, remember?
Yes.
The spinny thing. Okay, I'm gonna switch out
That's what I
for.
was doing earlier, dude.
Huh?
That's what I was doing.
Okay, let me get my big plow. Get that. Actually, no, I want a white plow.
Dude, has this ever happened? You literally has it ever happened to you? You forgot that you had like all of this stuff in the game, and you think that it's your first time, and you just think that someone hacked your account, and you know. Has that ever happened to you?
No, Senjor.
That hasn't happened.
It's probably happened to him about 1,000,000 times.
No, and not even once, bro.
It probably happened to him 5 minutes ago.
No, it didn't.
Probably happened to him yesterday.
Can you like stop it?
Probably happened like 2 days ago, my dude. Legit. It's probably this morning, this afternoon.
Can you like? I wasn't even playing this morning. I had to go to school, bro.
I don't know what you'll be doing. I didn't know you got that educations. Educations. Okay, I'm gonna put a face cam on my dog. Never mind, I can't do the face cam because I have to do it at the beginning of the video. If this video gets 10 likes, this video get 10 likes, I'm gonna do face cam. 10 likes, and I'll do face cam with my dog.
Did you say that and you get like 1 billion likes?
That'd be amazing. There's a cat up there. Nice. I saw
Cats in this game?
a cat. Okay, Sandor.
There's cats in Snow Shopping Simulator? Really? Dude, this is more like a tycoon. This is more like a tycoon.
My dude, tycoons are boring. This is amazing.
I know, it's like a tycoon, but that's better than anything.
My friend's calling me, my dude. I'm recording.
He's recording. Flipping God.
I need to talk to you because your channel is doomed. You have to unrelease the new YouTube policy that is affecting all of YouTube. Even my channel is in trouble. Done yet? I'm calm. Okay, I don't know, my friend, I need to talk to my friend later.
Jimmy?
Yeah.
You said that your account was doomed?
Yeah, something like that. I need to talk to him later. It says a new YouTube policy or something like that.
But I'm always going to bed right now. I'm going to get comfortable looking here.
Okay, I'm just gonna do this quest, and then that'll be the end of the video.
nervous right now that he said that your account was deleted?
Huh?
Are you nervous that he said that your account was deleted?
No.
Because you think he's lying?
Yeah.
What if it's true though? What if someone hacking your account?
I don't know. I don't know why he would be hacking my account. Legit, I only have 10 subscribers. If he wants to hack someone, legit, go hack PewDiePie. I'm not saying do it, but
PewDiePie, all you have is 13 subscribers.
I have 13?
Yeah.
I thought I had like 12.
What?
I thought I had 12.
13.
This is Drew right here. I didn't even know.
You didn't know that it's right here.
Hello, Essential. I was wondering if after all this, just like to need to call first. Editing. What is that?
A mouse.
Oh.
What do you think it is?
I don't know. Phone case or something? My dog's over here.
What?
My dog's over here barking.
Hey guys, my name is Barking, back with another video.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Barkin, back with another video. Today I'll be playing Bark Simulator. Imagine if that was
Bark Princess Simulator.
Imagine that was my intro.
Oh my god, that would be so weird. And your actual YouTube channel was Barking?
No, I'm gonna make a video. And I'm gonna play Barking Simulator. I'm gonna find that game and I'm gonna play it.
There's no thing called Barking Simulator, Ben.
There was a dumb simulator.
I know, but there's no Barking Simulator. Imagine you just play in there and then you just hear random barking sounds in it.
No, imagine you have an item that makes bark noises.
And
I was wondering. Wait, are you even in my group?
Yes.
I don't know.
What you mean?
It's
Okay,
just
are you doing a quest right now that gives you 30
1,000 snow.
from anywhere?
Yeah.
Okay, exactly.
I was wondering if after all those years you like to wait to go over everything.
Dude, the best car that you have right now is a truck, right?
Yeah. Well, it depends.
What,
Hold
a
on.
pen is a truck? What are you talking about? It's a car?
No, like the truck can get me snow, but then again, the snowmobile can get me to the new area.
Yeah, so a snowmobile is the best. I even forgot that you had a snowmobile. What am I thinking?
Okay, time to sell that snow.
I've been selling my snow, bro.
Why won't sell snow work? Okay, guys, we just about running out of time in this video. Remember, like, comment, subscribe up in this joint. Remember, share it with your friends. And now see you next video, my boys and girls and children. Bye, ya, ya, ya.